Atlanta Public Schools has narrowed the search for its next superintendent position down to one person. The finalist here is Dr. Brian Johnson, and currently he works at a college in Tennessee.
11 Alive's Teresa Bowles has his plans for APS and what an Atlanta education nonprofit hopes he can accomplish.
After more than a year of searching,
I love serving children.
Atlanta Public Schools thinks it found its new superintendent. Sole finalist Dr. Brian Johnson hails from Tennessee, where he's currently leading the University of Tennessee, Chattanooga. He used to be a superintendent at a similarly sized school district in Hamilton County. Now he hopes his future will be here in Atlanta, and Johnson's already laying out his plans to improve literacy and teacher retention.
Compensation matters, but culture is obviously what keeps people. And so we want to do all we can to support teachers.
Johnson believes the teacher salary raise will help. Plus, he says he's going to stay on top of steeping educators in the curriculum. However, advocates say the district needs a consistent leader.
When our newest superintendent starts, we will have had 4 superintendents in 5 years.
Angira Susi is with nonprofit Refined Ed, which advocates for educational equity. She says the school district still hasn't fully recovered from the pandemic and already had challenges before then. She says if things keep going the way they are, it'll be even harder to close achievement gaps, especially with a tighter budget.
We are losing federal ESSA fundings all at the same time. So yes, literacy, but literacy with accountability, with innovative practices.
Susi's hoping math scores and enrollment will improve too, and hopes Johnson can efficiently put his plan into action. Johnson says his ears are open and he's ready to get to work.
The most important thing to me is going to be to listen to the community, work with the school board, understand the nuances and complexities that exist within Atlanta, and use that to serve the community.
Now, the journey for a new APS superintendent is not exactly over. There's a 14-day vetting period. Then the board will vote in July. In Atlanta, Teresa Bowles, 11 Alive News.
And we will, of course, keep you updated on that process. Now, when asked how he will address violence in the school district, Johnson says he plans to support social and emotional learning, mental health, and hiring qualified security and police.